Good morning students, I am Neha Seth. Students, as you know, in history we were doing chapter number 5 when people rebel. In that we got the information about how people were gradually understanding that how the Britishers are ruling over India, how they are expanding, what are their intentions. Today we will discuss about the further topic when they started to rebel. Today we will study about a very popular rebellion. So today's topic is popular rebellion. Students, mutiny. What is mutiny? When soldiers in a group disobey their officers in an army, that is called mutiny. So what happened? In 1857, massive mutiny were against the company's rules and regulation. They had threatened the presence of East India Company, the Britishers. Moreover, the sepoys also mutinied and from Meerut the beginning started. From several places they started, but the beginning was Meerut. The thing to remember, the point to remember is that why all together started from Meerut. Because people all together came to know that our enemy is the same enemy. And who was the enemy? East India Company, the Britishers. They all together came united and all together started to rebel against the Britishers. On March 29 in 1857, a young soldier, Mangal Pandey, as you can see in the picture, you must have heard about him, have seen movies on him. He was very young and he died because he attacked the British officers in Barakpur. He had the power, he had the willpower, he had the confidence to attack them. But unfortunately, he died. Other thing to remember is that some of the sepoys, they refused to do the army drills that were to be done by the sepoys because of the Britishers. They refused. And the reason for the refusal was that they came to know that the new cartridge, they had a coat of cows and buffaloes fat. It means they were killing the cows and the pigs and goats to make that cartridge. This thing was not good. The people of India were against this. So they refused to do the army drills. Now what happened? When the Britishers came to know that they are not doing this, they were furious. They just dismissed them and they put them in the jail. They sentenced to the jail for 10 years. The punishment was so big. Now what happened, children? When the people came to know that these many sepoys have been sentenced, they have been put in jail for 10 years, the people got angry and they marched to Meerut. When they reached to Meerut, they just attacked the British officials. And why they attacked? To release the imprisoned sepoys. So when they reached the Meerut, they attacked the officials and released their sepoys who were inside the jail. Students, the other name that you will find in your chapter and the famous person is Bahadur Shah Zafar. You can see in the picture. Why he was so famous? Because the soldiers all together came and proclaimed that he will become our leader. And for your information, I would like to tell that he accepted also that yes, I will become your leader. And what did he do? He wrote letters to all the different states and to all many kings and queens who were ruling. And what he demanded that let us be united and let us fight against the Britishers, because everybody was in trouble because of the ruling British company. Students, what happened after the command of Shah? What happened? Everybody came in action. Regiments after regiments, all they got mutated. And what happened? People from the towns, from the villages, all came together and everybody was against the British rule and everybody united. They all started rebelling against the Britishers. We have people like Nana Sahib from Kanpur, Kunwar Singh from Bihar, Bhat Khan from Bareilly. All these people all together started the rebellion. So it means that everybody was against the British rule and everybody wanted freedom. So as you know, unity has strength. So let us see what happened against the Britishers. What was the result? That was that, as you know, that unity is strength. So what happened when the battles were happening at so many places against the Britishers and the Indians? The Britishers started losing the wars, losing the battles. This was the result of the rebellion. Students, I hope you have understood the topic. In the next class, we will discuss the further topic from the chapter, from this same chapter. Please go through the chapter and the worksheet. We will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.